Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an unboxing video for the new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray Steelbook of Howard the Duck. Still can't believe this has come to 4K. But yeah, the Steelbook has arrived from Universal, so let's get it ripped open. Okay, so there's a look at it. It's usual matte finished, no emboss work, no deboss work. Let's have a look at the back specs before I rip the J-slip card off. So this has come to 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray by Universal, distributed by Warner Brothers in the UK, and it's come with a DTS X Master Audio remix. Looks like just a HDR10, no Dolby Vision or HDR10 Plus. Again, still can't believe this has got a 4K release, but yeah, there you go. I did pick up the 101 Films Black Label edition. Thought that would be probably the best it would ever get, but no, it's surprised us all, and we've got a 4K disc. So there's a look at the Steelbook shine, and a look at the back is just the egg. There's the spine. Okay, so open it up. We have artwork. Quick look at the disc. It's a dual layer, so it's a BD66 66 gig disc. Okay, there's the Blu-ray. Don't ever remember it being released on Blu-ray before 101 Films from Universal, but there you go. So there's the inside. So that's it, quick unboxing video. Yeah, if you're as surprised as me that this got a 4K release, please comment down below. Be good to hear from you. But please like the video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.